morning, class 10. Good morning. Best of luck for your SE today. Today, English. Many students find a little bit difficult for not knowing the techniques. First of all, do easy ones, then only do difficult. Essays in about 350 words by writing titles, and about 350 words, at least 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs. Poems and passages, vacancy announcement, and letters, applications, yeah, thanks or congratulation letters, etc. Write in simple and sweet sentences. Passage in the same tense. If the question has do, does, etc., write in B1 or B5. If the question starts from did, you have to use B2. Past tense, same tense as the question. Grammar. For grammar, WH questions starts from WH or who, which, who, where, how, why, etc. Question tag. For question tags, you have to write down the whole statement, write comma, and use a small letter, and always use a question mark. Don't forget it. Tense, past, present, future tense, tense contrast, conditional clause, etc. Voice. First of all, you have to know whether the sentence is given voice is active voice or passive voice. Change the voice of. For example, one question, the thief has been arrested. The thief has been arrested, it is passive voice, you have to change into active voice because the subject agent is not given in this. So, whose duty is to arrest? The police. So, the police have arrested the thief. Active voice, simple tense, passive in the simple. Active voice, continuous, passive also continuous. Active voice, perfect tense, passive voice should also be in the perfect tense. Or the active voice जुन टेन्स र जुन एस्पेक्टमा छ प्यासिभ भोइस त्यसमै हुने स्पिच डाइरेक्ट स्पिच एन्ड इनडाइरेक्ट स्पिच इन द डाइरेक्ट स्पिच अलवेज युज inverted comma, with the inverted comma, if it is interrogative, use interrogative, exclamatory or operative. You have to know whether the speech is direct or not, direct speech or indirect speech. For direct speech, B1 changes to B2 and B2 changes to B1. For example, here, B1 to B2 and B2 to add B3. If you are changing direct speech into indirect, but you have to know if the sentence is universal truth, experimental truth or not. Experimental truth, the tense does not change. B1 to B2, B2 to add B3. From direct to indirect, from into direct speech, add B3 changes to B2 and B2 to B1. Direct, present to past, past to past participle. Present continuous, past continuous. But into direct speech, add B3 changes to B2, past perfect changes to simple past, and simple past changes into simple present. That we have to know. For articles, a and the, where is a used? Generally, o is used for consonant sound in vowel sound. We have to know the speech sound, preposition, which is a little bit vast, like at, in, on, from, at, small place, small time, in, before month, like in July, in Baisakh, on, day and date, on Sunday, on Monday, on 5th July, etc. From, see, from means we have to leave that thing. From A to B, from Pokhara to Etoda, etc. Along and through, along, like along the road, along the avenue, along the highway, about, like what are you thinking about, what are you talking about, off and off. Off means from, get off the bus, down, transformation of sentences. But in preposition, sometimes appropriate preposition also, like attracted to, known to, satisfied with, in the middle of, by dint of, because of, etc. Appropriate preposition, you have to know appropriate is appropriate preposition. Transformation of sentences, affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative, interrogative to affirmative, etc. But in the interrogative, you must use an interrogative sign. Like some changes to any. If there is any, you have to know, or it is not, you have to know whether the sentence is negative or affirmative. But some sentences like never, hardly, scarcely, barely, rarely, seldom, these adverbs show that the sentence is negative and you have to change into affirmative or interrogative. Story writing. The story writing is also a very important thing. You have to use a theme or the title technique, and always use in write in three paragraphs. First paragraph a little bit small, last paragraph a little bit small. The second paragraph, which is the main body of the story writing, should be a little bit long, but not too long. Write in the past tense, V2, use V2. Like if they see, you have to use saw, V2, past tense generally. Use proper words. And finally, you have to write moral conclusion. See, first of all, you have to do easy. First of all, easy. Then only difficult. Whatever you feel. पहिला सजिलो गर्ने अनि मात्र गाह्रो गर्ने. See, you can easily get at least 65 or more than 65. Okay. Best of luck. Again, best of luck for your ongoing examination to your class 10 students. Okay, this was for today.